Welcome back to Dawn Puzzles. Today's puzzles is called round puzzles. It's a wooden puzzles. Take apart and after put back together. Easy to take apart. We have 6 pieces, all are the same. And I think the solution is the same as the star. We have to take 3 pieces together, put together like that. Oops. We have to do the same with the other 3 pieces. That's the fun part. You really need a third hand. Okay. One more time. I don't think that stick. Okay, I'm gonna try like that. Okay, first part. Now take the other part. Oops. Oh, that's smooth. It's not easy. Okay, and we have to put back together. Find a way. No. No. That does not work. Okay. Okay, one more try. Peace, not move. No! Okay, we are here for the fun. Okay. Got that one. Okay. Now put back together like that. Okay, done. Well, it was fun. Thank you for watching and see you next time.